Sunday, Mr. Ahmad sold 3 times the mass of meat than on Monday. On Tuesday, he sold 493 kg more meat than on Sunday. He sold 5,800 kg of meat on the 3 days. How many kilograms of meat did he sell on Monday and on Sunday? So to do this effectively, we draw for ourselves a series of models, okay? So Sunday, we know is 3 times as much as Monday. So for Monday, it's just 1 box. And for Sunday, it's 3 of these boxes. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, and Tuesday. Wow, Tuesday is even more than Sunday. More by how much? More by 493 kg. So Tuesday, you still have the 3 box plus an additional 493 kilograms. Okay, and the total of this is 5800 kg. Okay, this is the total mass of the 3 days. To find how much meat was sold on Monday, for the first question, we need to take 5800, take away this extra part, so that we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 nice boxes. Okay, so when we do the subtraction, we will get this answer 5307 kg. So as mentioned, this will be equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 nice boxes. So 7 units will be 5307 kg. And we can find 1 unit, 5307, divide this by 7. Okay, so when we do that, we'll get 758. This will be in a mixed fraction, 1/7 kg, which is the mass for Monday. Okay, so that's done for part A. Now for part B, what is the mass sold on Sunday? So Sunday is just 3 units. 758 1/7 multiplied by 3 to get an answer of 2274, 3 out of 7 kilograms, which is also in the mixed number. Final answer for part A, final answer for part B.